Today we're working on Excel Expert Lesson 6, the 6th lesson, Accessing Hidden Ribbon Tabs. So click File, and then Options. In the Excel Options dialog box, click Customize Ribbon. In the Customize Ribbon tree list on the right side of the screen, click the Developer checkbox to turn it on. You did all these things in Word before. Click the Review checkbox if necessary to turn it off. So turning off Review, and then click OK. Click the Developer tab to view it in the ribbon. So there you see the Developer tab. So mark that as answered. This makes me think that we're going to be doing macros soon. We love macros. They're our favorite. Right-click anywhere in the ribbon, and then click Customize the Ribbon. Move the Excel Options dialog box down so you can view all the buttons on the Developer tab. In the Excel Options dialog box, click the Open Tree button for Developer. Mine's already open. It's talking about this right here. And then click Open Tree button for Controls. Notice that the various levels and commands shown in the dialog box matches the commands and groups in the Developer tab in the ribbon. Click the Choose Commands from drop-down arrow, and then click Commands Not in Ribbon. So right here, choose Commands From, and then select Commands Not in the Ribbon. Scroll down this list of commands to view the many commands that are available. See, there are 18,472,809 different commands. Click any command in the list. Notice that the Add button is no longer grayed out. You see that it did that, indicating you can now add this to the ribbon. In the Customize the Ribbon list on the right side of the screen, click the Review checkbox to add it back to the ribbon. Click Review, and then click OK. Mark as answered, and submit. And this completes Accessing Hidden Ribbon Tabs.